Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a business letter. What is a business letter? A business letter is a letter from one company to another, or such organizations and their customers, clients, or other external parties. The overall style of letter depends on the relationship between the parties concerned. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a business letter step by step. Check this out. The very first thing you have to write is your information as a sender. Here, you must write your full name. You can try using modern style that most people use nowadays. Put your name at the top middle part of the letter. Under it, write your contact information. You can start with your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street, city, state, and zip code. And you can add other contact information like phone number and email address. That's what you call a header of the letter. Now, you can write the date today. Use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the personal information about the recipient. Here, you need to write the full name. And write the company or organization name. Under it, write the address of the company or organization. You should mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you can open the letter with salutation. Most formal letters use Dear Sir or Madam if you don't know the name. But if you know, write Dear Mr., or Mrs., or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write a greeting. And then, introduce yourself. You can mention your full name. Your occupation in the company or organization. And of course, you must mention the company or organization name. And write the reason why you are writing this letter. In this example, the writer is a director of marketing at an airplane and wants to build marketing strategy with the recipient's company for win-win solution. In the second paragraph, you can explain why you are asking for collaboration in business and marketing. In this example, the writer explains that the airplane crews love to stay at the villa owned by the recipient. However, the problem comes when the crews always find out that the rooms are fully booked. And here, the writer shares a win-win idea in the marketing where the villa needs to give permanently special rooms for the crews. The airplane will promote the villa at magazine with significant discount. You need to make the recipient understand what you need here. So, you need to tell in details about the idea. In the last paragraph, you can tell more about the partnership. Here, the writer wants to demonstrate the airlines and the villa about how it will look like. So, the writer has attached the 3 samples of the advertisement for the magazine. And the writer mentioned that the ads are designed by their crews. And tell the benefits that the recipient will get when they deal the partnership. For example, the airline's magazine will highlight the recipient's villa and promote to millions of passengers. And offer the recipient to discuss about this partnership in further detail. Don't forget to give your contact information and welcome them to contact you anytime. Show your excitement to wait for their response. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. And write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the company, as well as the company name. So, that's how you write a business letter for partnership step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.